What is Python list? Python list is one of 4 Python built-in data structures and used to store collections of data. The data can be integer or float or string or boolean or mix. Lists are created using square brackets. And I'm using Jupyter Notebook. If you haven't Python in your local computer, you can use Google Colab and run Python code without install Python in your local computer. And I will put video link how to use Google Colab in video description. First cell, we will create a list. The list items should be inside square brackets. And we will print the list after created list 1 equal 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. And we will print the list and print the type of list 1 and also print length of list 1. And I will run it. Shift enter. This is the item. This is the items inside the list, and this is the type, and this is the number of items inside the list, 5. Python lists also allow duplicates. List 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Print list 2, and also we can count the number of each value repeated. List 2 dot count 1 give me the number of items contain 1, 1, 2, 3. And we will run the cell, shift enter. This is the list items, and number 1, 1, 2, 3 repeated 3 times, and 3, 1, 2 repeated 2 times. And also the item list can be float or string or boolean, true, false, or mix. The first list 3, it is float with decimal point, and list 4 it's string, and list 5 it's boolean, true, false, and list 6 it's mix. This integer, this string, this float. And we will run this cell, shift enter. This is the list items. And also we can create list using for loop. List 7 equal square brackets and empty. This is empty list. For I in range 10, list 7 dot append I. We will append the items inside the list, and we will print list 7. Shift enter. These items 10 items start from 0 to 9. And also we can use for loop to print the items inside the list. For I in list 7 print I. Shift enter. This is the items. We can add item to the list. List 8, the items 1, 3, 4. List 8 dot append 5. Item 5 will be added at the end of the list, and we will print list 8. Shift enter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, these items, and already add the 5. Insert item to the list. We can insert item inside the list in a specific index Here index start from 0, 1, 2, 3. List 9 dot insert in index 1 item value 3 and print, shift enter. See here the item 3 in index 1 which we entered here, and shift old item 1 to index 2. Extend list. To append elements from another list to the current list, we can use extend method. Here we have two lists, list 1, 1, 2, 3, and list 2, 4, 5, 6. List 1 dot extend list 3. It means the list 2 will be added to list 1. This is the list 1. Add list 2 to list 1. Change item value, refer to the index. List 3 we have banana, cherry, orange. And we need to change banana to kiwi. The index for banana 0. List 3 index 0 equal kiwi. Shift enter. Banana was changed to kiwi through index of banana. Remove list items. We can remove list items with specific item. List 4 banana, apple, orange. List 4 dot remove banana and print list 4. Shift enter. We removed apple and the list contain banana and orange. Remove specific index. We can use index to remove the items. List 4 banana, apple, orange. List 4 dot pop 0 and print list 4. The index of 0, banana removed, and now the list items apple and orange. If we use Bob only, it will remove the last item. List 4 dot Bob, it will remove orange. Shift enter. Now the list banana and apple. Delete the list completely. To delete the list completely, we will use del. List 4 equal banana, apple, orange. Del list 4 and print list 4. Shift enter. We have error here. The error for print list 4. Error name list 4 is not defined because we deleted here. Clear the list. Clear the list and keep its remains, but with no item. We have to use clear method. List 4 equal banana, apple, orange. List 4 dot clear print list 4. List 4 should be empty. It's empty. Sort lists. We can use sort methods to sort the items in the list, and also the default sort is ascending. Now we have list 4, 100, 200, 120, 50, 150, 210. ls dot sort and print list after sort. It is sorting ascending in ascending order. Descending sort. To sort descending, we use keyword argument reverse equal true. This is the list, and list 4 dot sort reverse equal true. It will sort the list items in descending order. Shift enter. $210, 200, 150. Access list item. We can access list item through the index for item. For example, we have list names equal Johnson, Jimmy, Tim, Kevin, Johnny. To select the first item here, the index should be 0. And last item, the index should be -1. And the item before last item, the index should be -2. -2 means Kevin. -1, Johnny. 0, Johnson. Shift enter. Names of index 0, Johnson. Names of index -1, Johnny. And -2, Kevin. Range of index. We can print any range in items through names and put the index here. Now we will print name space 3. This means it will start from index 0 because no number here. It will start from index 0 and it will end at index 3. 1, 2, 3. But item in index 3 not including. Shift and enter. It prints Johnson, Jimmy, Tim. Start from index 0 and end at index 3, Kevin, but not including index 3. Another example. Print names start with index 1 and end at index 3, but index 3 not including. It will print the item for index 1, Jimmy, and in index 2, Tim. Kevin is index 3, but index 3 it will not include. It print Jimmy, Tim. And here we will print names start with index 1. Index 1, Jimmy. And no index here. This means it will print to the end of the list. It will print Jimmy, Tim, Kevin, and Johnny. This means it will print to the end of the list. Shift enter. Jimmy is index 1, Tim, Kevin, and Johnny. Here we will print names start for index -2. What is meaning by index -2? The end of the list, index -1, and this Kevin -2, and Tim -3. Now it will print from -2 to the end of the list. Shift enter. It print Kevin and Johnny. Kevin with index -2 and Johnny is the end of the list. Here it is new formula for select items from list. This is numbers, and will print numbers 1, 6, 2. What this meaning? It will start from index 1. Index 1, 20. And end at index 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. But not including index 6. And this 2, it means mode 2. We will see the result. It will print item for index 1, it's 20. And mode 2, it will skip the next item. Skip this. And print 40. And skip 50. And print 60. 1, index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Index 6 not including. Another example. This is the list. Print numbers 1, 6, mode 3. This is the index number 1. It will print it. And skip 30 and 40. And print 50. And skip 2 also. Shift enter. The result 20. 20 is index number 1. And skip mode 3. Skip 2 items, 30 and 40, and print 50. Another example. Numbers equal 10, 20, and print numbers. And nothing here, and nothing here, and 2. What's this meaning? It will start from index 0. And it will be end at this index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. End at here. And mode 2. Shift enter. It will print 10 and mode 2, skip 20 and print 30, skip 40 and print 5 and skip 60 and print 70. It started from index 0 because nothing here, and end at the last item because there is index here, and mode 2. Copy list. We can make a copy of list with the copy method. We have list 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and list 1 underscore new equal list 1 dot copy, copy methods, and print the new list, list 1 underscore new, shift enter. The new list 1, 2, 3, 4, it's the same, it's copy. We can make a copy of a list with the list method. This is list 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, list 2 underscore new equal list ls2, this one which defined at the first, and print list 2 new. Shift enter. It's the same result. Join lists. Also, we can join lists by using the plus operator. We have list 1, 1, 2, 3, list 2, Johnson, Jamie, Tim, list 3 equal list 1 plus list 2, and we'll print list 3. Shift enter. This is the list 3, contain list 1 plus list 2. And also we can use extend method to add list 2 at the end of list 1. List 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and list 2, Johnson, Jamie, Tim. List 1 dot extend list 2, this one. List 2 will add it at the end of list 1. And list 1 will change, will modify. Print list 1 after extend with list 2, shift enter. List 1 already 1, 2, 3 plus list 2, Johnson, Jamie, Tim. Convert a list into tuple. List 1 equal 1, 2, 3. We can use tuple methods to convert the list to tuple. Tuple underscore 1 equal tuple methods list 1. And we will print tuple 1 and print the type. Shift enter. The tuple 1, 1, 2, 3, and the class tuple. We got it class from type method. Convert list into set. List 1 equal 1, 2, 3. We can use set methods to convert the list to set. Set underscore 1 equal set list, which defined here, and we will print set underscore 1 and print the type of set underscore 1. Shift enter. This is the set items, and this is the type for the set, class set. We can convert list into dictionary. We can use dictionary dot from keys. Dictionary contain keys and value. List 1 equal banana, apple, orange. List 1 underscore dictionary equal dictionary dot from keys. The key will be list 1 item, banana, apple, orange, and the value we will add out of stock. And we will print list 1 dictionary and print the type. Shift enter. The dictionary contain banana out of stock, apple out of stock, orange out of stock. Banana and apple and orange, it's the item list, and it will convert to the key for dictionary and the value for each key out of stock, which I entered here. Now you can start working with Python list, and I will put the link for this Jupyter notebook in video description. And you, what is set? Set is one of 4 built-in Python data structure and used to store collection of data in a single variable. Set items are unordered and unchangeable and don't allow duplicate values. Unordered means that the items in set don't have a defined order. Unchangeable means that we cannot change the items after the set has been created. Set is created by add items between curly brackets. I am using a Jupyter notebook. If you haven't Jupyter notebook in your local machine, you can use Google Colab and run Python without install Python in your local computer. And I will put video link how to use Google Colab in video description. Here we will create a set. Set 1 equal Johnson, Jamie, Tim, Kevin. and we will print set 1 and print the type of set 1 and print the length of set 1, the number of items inside the set. Run. This is the set items, the class set, and the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set items data types. Set item data types can be integer, float, string, boolean, or mix. We will run. The first one is integer, the second float, the third string, the fourth boolean, the fifth mix. Access set items. We can't access items in a set by referring to an index or key. We can use for loop. Set 1, Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. Print I in set 1, print I. For I in set 1, print I. This is set 1, Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. For I in set 1, print I. It will print the set items. Check exist item in set. Set 1, Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. Print Jamie in set 1 and print Tim in set 1. We run. Jamie already exists in set 1. It's true. Tim does not exist. False. Update set items. Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. But there are some workarounds to update set items. We can convert set to a list and update list items and reconvert it again. Set 1, Tim, Kevin. List 1 equal list set 1. This function will convert a set to a list. List 1 index 0, Tim will be equal Jimmy. And we will convert list 1 to set 1. Set 1 equal set list 1 and print set 1. Already updated. Change Tim and replace Jimmy. Add items. Once a set is created, you can't change its items, but you can add new items. To add one item to set, use add method. Set 1 equal Jimmy, Tim, Jimmy. Set 1 dot add Kevin. Print set 1. Kevin added. Remove set items. To remove an item in a set, use the remove method or discard method. If the item to remove does not exist, remove will raise an error. If the items to remove does not exist and use discard will not raise error. Set 1 Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. Set 1 dot remove Jamie and print set 1. Jamie already removed. Set 1 Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. Set 1 remove Tim. Tim does not exist. And we will run and see the result. There is error. Tim does not exist. But if we use discard, set 1 Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. set 1, discard Tim. We will run it. No error. Doesn't rain error. Remove set items and keep set. We can use clear method to delete the item and keep the set. Set 1 Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. Set 1 dot clear, print set 1. It's empty. Already the elements deleted. Delete set completely. The del keyword will delete the set completely. Set 1 Akram, Jamie, John, Johnson. Del set 1 and print set 1. Should give me error because name set 1 is not defined because the set deleted completely. Join sets. We can join 2 or more Python sets by using union method and update method. Set 1 equal 2, 4, 6. Set 2 equal 8, 10, 12. Set 3 equal set 1 dot union set 2. Print set 3. We will run and see the result. Set 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. It's set 1 and add 8, 10, 12. Join 2 sets. Set 1 equal 2, 4, 6. Set 2, 8, 10, 12. Set 1 dot update set 2. Print set 1. We will run and the same result. Add set 2 to set 1 or merge. Join set 2 and set 1 and put it in set 1. Both union and update will exclude remove and any duplicate items. Set 5 1, 2, 3. Set 6 1, 2, 4. Set 5 dot update set 6. Print set 5. We will run and see the result. Set 5 equal 1, 2, 3, 4. You see here 2 is duplicate. It will add 1 only. No duplicate. Remove duplicate. Intersection method. This method will return a new set that only contains the items that are present, duplicates, in both sets. We will see here set 1 Akram, Jamie, John. Set 2 Tim, Johnson, Kevin, Jimmy. Set 3 equal set 1 dot intersection set 2 and print set 3. We will see the result. It will print the duplicate only. Jimmy is here in set 2 and also here in set 1. Symmetric difference update method. This method will keep only the elements that are not present, not duplicate, in both sets. We will see here set 1 Akram, Jamie, John, Jamie, John, Kevin. Set 1 dot symmetric difference update set 2. Print set 1. Set 1 Kevin and Akram. Akram here and Kevin here, and Jimmy and John, it's duplicates, not included. This everything you need to know to start with Python sets. And I will put the link for this Jupyter notebook in video description and you can download it. Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about Python tuples. What is tuple? Tuple is one of 4 built-in Python data structures used to store collections of data in a single variable. Tuple items are ordered and unchangeable. Ordered means that the items after defined the order will not change. Unchangeable, meaning that we can't change, add or remove items after the tuple had been created. The tuple items are written within round brackets. In this cell, we will create tuple 1, banana, apple, and print tuple 1 and print the type of tuple 1. Run. This is the items, banana and apple, and the type class tuple. Tuple length. To determine the number of the item in the tuple, use the length function. We will print the length for tuple 1 is 2. Tuple allow duplicates. Tuple 1 equal banana, apple, banana, apple. And print, we will run it. This is the items. Tuple items data types. The data types can be string, apple, banana, cherry, or integer 1070, float 10.8, boolean, true, false, or mix. And we will run this cell and see the first one, string, second one, integer, third, float, fourth, boolean, fifth is mix, boolean and string and float. Access tuple items. Tuple 1, banana, apple, banana, orange, kiwi, cherry. Print tuple 1 and print tuple 1 of index 0. The index in tuple start from 0. And we will run this cell, see the result, banana, apple, banana, orange. It's all the items inside the tuple 1. And tuple 1 of index 0 is banana. Print tuple 1 of index -1. Index -1, it means the last item in the tuple. We will run this cell, the last item, cherry. In this cell, print tuple 1, index -2. -2 refers to the end second last items. The second last items should be kiwi. Kiwi. Access tuple items using a range of index. Print tuple 1, print tuple 1 of here nothing. It means start from the first, from the beginning, index 0, up to 3, but not including 3. Start from 1 up to 3, not including 3. It will be index of 0, index of 1, and the index of 2 in tuple 1. Run it. Banana, apple, banana, orange, index 0, banana, index 1, index 2, not including 3, index 3. Print tuple 1. Start from index 1 up to index 4, including index 1 and not including index 4. Should be apple, banana, orange. 1, 2, 3. We will run it. Apple, banana, orange. Index 1, 2, 3. Not including 4. Print tuple 1. Index start from 1. Here nothing index. It means to the end of the tuple. End of the item. We will run it. Start from 1, apple, up to the end, sharing. Access tuple using loop. Iteration through the items and print the values. For I in tuple 1, print I. We will run the cell, see the result. Banana, apple, banana, orange, kiwi, cherry. Print all items by referring to their index number. We will print the items and the index. Referring to the index. Run. Print tuple dot index I. For I in range length of tuple 1. Print tuple 1 of index value of I. We'll start from index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of the tuple. Using while loop. In while loop, we have to define the variable, indexing variable. I equals 0, while I less than length of tuple 1, print tuple 1 of index I, the value of I, and increase I equal I plus 1. And run. It will print all items of tuple. Check if item exists. If orange in tuple 1, print orange exists in tuple 1. And in tuple 1, orange already exists. Run this. Orange exists. Update tuples. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that you can't change, add or remove items once the tuple is created. But there are some workarounds to update tuple items. This tuple names Johnson, Jamie, Tim. We have to convert tuple into a list first. List names equal list tuples name. It will converted tuple name to list. And update list. List of index 1, Kevin. We will change Jamie to Kevin. And we have to convert the list into tuple. Tuple names equal tuple list names. Print tuple names. We will run it. Tuple names already update. item of index 1 Jimmy to Kevin. This is a way to update any items in tuple. We have to convert it to a list and make update and convert the list to tuple again, and it will be modified. Adding an item to tuple, it's same way. Tuple names Johnson, Jimmy, Tim. We have to convert tuple into list. List names equal list tuple names, and update the list. List names dot append Kevin. Kevin will append after Tim, and convert the list into tuple. Tuple names equal tuple list names after modification, and print tuple names. Already add Kevin to the item of the tuple names. Remove item from tuple. Same way. Tuple names Johnson, Jamie, Tim. Convert tuple into a list. List names equal list tuple names, and update list. List names dot remove Jimmy, and convert the list into a tuple. Tuple names equal tuple list names, and print tuple. We will run it and see the result. The tuple after modifications Johnson and Tim. Jimmy delete. Delete tuple completely. We can delete tuple by using del. This tuple names del tuple names, and print tuple names. Should be give me error because tuple names already deleted here. We will run. This is error. Name tuple names is not defined because we deleted here. Join tuples. To join two or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. Tuple 1 equal 1, 2, 3. Tuple 2 equal 1.5, 2.6, 3.9. Tuple 3 equal Johnson, Tim, Jimmy, Tim. Tuple 4 equal tuple 1 plus tuple 2 plus tuple 3. Print tuple 4. We will run it and see the result. This is the tuple 1, and this is tuple 2 and tuple 3. It's joined in tuple 4. Multiply tuples. If you want to multiply the content of a tuple given number of times, you can use the multiply operator. Tuple 1 Johnson, Jimmy, Tim. Multiply tuple equal tuple 1 multiply 2, and print multiply tuple. We will run the cell. It will be repeated. Johnson, Jimmy, Tim. Johnson, Jimmy, Tim. This is everything you need to know to start with tuple. What is Python dictionary? Dictionary is one of 4 built-in Python data structures and used to store data values in key and value pairs. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered and changeable and doesn't allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written within curly brackets, and we have keys and value. We will create a dictionary here. Dictionary 1, name Jimmy, salary 1500, title chief officer, and print dict 1. We will run and see the result. This is the dictionary. This name is a key. Jimmy is value for name T, and salary is a key also, and 1500 value. Title is a key. Chief officer is a value. Print dictionary type plus dictionary. Get the number of items inside the dictionary with length function, length methods. Print length dictionary. 3. Contain 3 keys and 3 values. Duplicates not allowed. In this example, dictionary 1, name, Jimmy, salary, 1500, salary again, 2000, title, chief officer. Print dictionary. We will run and see the elements of the dictionary. Name, Jimmy, salary, 2000, 1 key only with salary. And this not inserted in dictionary. And take the last value. Title, chief officer. Dictionary items data type. The items can be any data type. Python data type. This name, Jimmy. String. Salary is integer. Single is boolean value. Kids is a list of values. And we will print the dictionary. Name, Jimmy, salary, 1500, single, false, kids, Tim and Kevin. It's a list. The value for kids, he, Tim and Kevin, list. Access dictionary items. Get the value of the key. And print dictionary 1 with key name. It will get the value for name. Should be, and we will run. It's Jimmy. Jimmy is the value for key name. We can use get method and get the same result for last cell. The key kids and the value for kids Tim and Kevin. Get keys. Keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Print dictionary dot keys. This is the keys for the dictionary. Name, salary, single, kids. Get values. Values method will return a list of all values in the dictionary. Print dictionary dot values. Dict values. Jimmy, 1500, false, Tim and Kevin. This is the values. Modify dictionary values. This is the dictionary, and we will print before modify, and we will modify the name. Change from Jimmy to Kevin. Dictionary with key name equal Kevin, and we will print dictionary after modify. Run. The name before modification Jimmy, after modification Kevin. Another way to modify dictionary values using update method. Dictionary 1, name Jimmy, and print before modification. Dictionary 1 dot update name Johnson. It will change Jamie to Johnson and print the dictionary after modification. Jamie became Johnson. Add new item to dictionary. Dictionary 1, same dictionary, and we will add item with key job title. Dictionary 1, key job title equal general manager, and we will print the dictionary. Run. This is the old dictionary without job title, and after modification add job title general manager. Check if key exists. If deductions in deck 1, print yes, else print no. Deductions, no deductions in the dictionary, in the deck 1, should be print no. Remove dictionary items. To remove dictionary items, we use pop methods. This is the dictionary and deck1.pop salary. It will be remove the salary key and value. And run. The salary is not here. It was removed. Pop item method removes the last inserted item. The same dictionary, deck1.pop item methods. And run. It removed the last item, key and value, kids. Kids is not here after pop item deck 1. Delete dictionary. This is the dictionary, deck 1, print dictionary before delete. Del deck 1, print deck 1. Run. It will print the dictionary before delete. After delete, give me error because name deck 1 is not defined because it's already deleted. Clear method. This method delete all item in dictionary but keep dictionary empty. Keep dictionary exists but empty. Dictionary 1, print dictionary, deck 1 dot clear method, print deck 1 after clear. Run. This is the dictionary before clear, and after clear dictionary already exists but empty. Loop dictionary. We can loop the dictionary here and print result. This is the dictionary for I. In deck 1, print I. It will print the keys for the dictionary. Run. The keys, name, salary, single, kids. This print the keys. For I, in deck 1, print deck 1 key value of I. It will print the values. We will run the values Jimmy, 1500, false, Tim and Kevin. This is the values. Copy dictionaries. We can make a copy of dictionaries with the copy method. Deck 1, name, salary, single, kids. Deck 2, equal. Deck 1 dot copy method. Print deck 2. Deck 2 should be same deck 1. It's copy from deck 1. Make a copy of a dictionary with the dict function. Dict 1, name, salary, single, kids. Dict 3 equal dict 1. Make a copy from dict 1 and put it into dict 3. Print dict 3, the same result. Nested dictionaries. It means that dictionary can contain more than one dictionary. Dict 1 equal M1 is a dictionary. Name Jimmy, salary 2000. And M2 is another dictionary. Inside the Dict 1 dictionary also. Name Kevin, salary 3000. Print Dict 1. M1 is a dictionary. And M2 is another dictionary. And all together inside the Dict 1 dictionary. Print Dict 1 dot keys. The keys employee 1 and employee 2. Employee 1 and employee 2. This is from here. Print Dict 1 dot values. We'll run it. Give us the value. These values for employee 1 key and these values for employee 2 key. Print dictionary key employee 1. It will print the dictionary for the key. It will print the value for employee 1 only. This is the value for employee 1. Name Jamie, salary 2000. Print Dict 1 employee 1 name. It will print the name for the dictionary employee 1. Should be Jimmy. For I, in Dict 1, print I. It will print the sub-dictionaries. This is a key. For I, in Dict 1, print I and print dictionary of key I. Employee 1, the value for I, and the values and keys here for employee 1. The name for employee 1, Jimmy, and the salary for employee 1, 2000. Employee 2, name Kevin, salary 3000. This is everything you need to know to start with Python dictionary. And I will put the link for this Jupyter notebook in video description and you can download it. And also I will put some important links. I hope it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and I hope to see you in next video.